Today we're going to go over how to make basic text updates to a WordPress page running xtheme, running cornerstone page builder. So first you log into your WordPress dashboard, and right here on the left hand side you're going to go to pages, and you're going to click pages, and then you're going to find the page you want to update. The page we want to update is named acupuncture, so we're going to look for acupuncture in this list, and it is right here. So whenever you find your page, you're going to click on the link that says edit with cornerstone. This is the awesome page builder that makes it super easy to update. So click on that, and the page builder will start to build out. It takes a little while to load, but it's worth it because you don't have to look at ugly HTML code to update a website. So we're just going to make some basic text edits to this page, and you will see right here, this is the actual page. You see it on the right hand side, and we're going to scroll down to some text areas. Alright, so we need to update this section right here. So in order to update the text here, I'm going to click on the area. I have not clicked yet, but you'll notice whenever I click, this area over here is going to change. It's going to open up all the editable options for an area when you click on it. And you'll notice, like, whenever I'm kind of scrolling around, you'll see different boxes. It says classic button, that says 2, section 2, row 1, classic text, and header. Okay, so we want to update the classic text, so we want to make sure we click on the classic text area so we see the editable options for classic text. Alright, so I'm going to click, and when I do, over here you'll see the text content box. If you click on this link right here that says click to edit, you'll see ugly HTML code. But if you don't want to see that, you just click on this T, and then here you are editing basically a Word document. And what we want to do is take session out, delete, and you'll notice it changes over here. And we want to take session out here, delete, and I believe we want to add it somewhere. Let me look at my notes. Let's see. Okay, I want to add session after the word traditional. Okay, we want to add session right here. See this line right here, $45 for each traditional session. Yes, that makes sense. Session. And again, it's, it is a Word document, and see how it looks funky here. Just hit backspace and get a space in there. And still session looks kind of funky. It's just taking on a header. So all you got to do is select it and see it has header 5, and you'll notice all the text is actually header 5. But if you just select it, hit something else, it'll go back, and then go back to header 5. And then you should be, oh, you know what the problem is? It's bold. So take the bold away and change the color. Ah, yes. Okay, it was just purple. So we need to change the colors. Okay, so here's how you change the color. We want to make that bold again because everything is bold. I think it's not. Let's just get it the right color. It is black. Ah, it looks right. Okay, so there we go. And we want to add session to $140 for 2 30-minute cosmetic sessions a month. I think And cosmetic sessions. I think I've made the updates that I needed to make. Let me make sure. Okay, 65. I need to go find something that says 65. Okay, 65 for each additional cosmetic session. Here we go. Let's add it here. And again, I'm doing something funky. I'm cutting and pasting, so it's doing weird stuff, but it's more examples of what to do when you see weird stuff happen. So session was purple because I cut and paste it. We're going to turn it black. And there is some weird spacing here. So we need to fix this spacing. So we have $100 for 2 30-minute sessions / a month. Let's put some space there. And then we have $140 for 2 30-minute cosmetic sessions a month. Let's put a space. And $45 for that. Okay, that's good. 65 has too much space. All right, and then it looks like we have too much space between packages too, or do we? I think that spacing is great. Anyways, we've made the changes that we need to make. So now what we're going to do is we have to hit save, and save is really tiny, itsy bitsy in the left hand bottom corner. So if you like everything you've done, here's your chance to save it. If you don't like anything you've done, all you got to do is just click out of this page, and it'll say, are you sure? Like, I'm going to do it now. I'm just going to try to exit out. And it'll say, are you sure you want to leave this page? And then I'm like, oh no, I want to save this stuff. So I'm going to stay on the page because I like the changes I made. But if I didn't like the changes I made, I would just leave the page and it would go back to what it looked like before I started editing. So I'm going to stay here and I'm going to click save. So when you click save, you'll see over here in the right hand upper corner, a banner comes up letting you know you saved, and everything's saved. So now I want to check my work on the front end. So if you want to see your work on the front end, you can of course just go to the website and in another browser, in another tab, and look at it. But I'm going to be lazy. This little square right here with the arrow, that will let me see the page and open up in another tab. And I'm going to look at the changes. And everything looks good. And then if you want to see what it looks like in mobile, you can hit like these little boxes to make it small. So you can see how the text is lining up. And that's how you make changes. If you have any other questions or any other videos you need, let me know. But that's the end of this video, and if you don't like what you've done or if you mess up something, we can always restore. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.